In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend text using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media graphic, or any creative project, adding curved text can offer a unique and professional touch. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, head over to canva.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see the login button. Click there to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a great time to sign up. Canva makes it easy to log in using various options. You can use your Google account, Facebook, or your email, whatever suits you best. Once you're logged in, look to the left corner of your screen where you'll find 3 horizontal lines. That's your main menu. Click on it to open the menu and then select Create a Design. Here you have the flexibility to either choose from Canva's myriad of templates or start a fresh custom design. It all depends on what your project requires. Next, let's add some text. Go to the text tool on the Canva toolbar, simply type in the words you'd like to see with a curved effect. Once you've typed your text, click on the text box to select it, which allows you to make further edits and adjustments. Now direct your attention to the effects panel, which is either at the top of your workspace or can be somewhere on a sidebar. Clicking on effects brings up various options you can apply to your text, and this is where the magic happens. Look for the curve effect within the menu. Selecting the curve effect will automatically bend your text. But it doesn't stop there, you can customize this curve. You'll notice a slider that lets you adjust both the degree and direction of your text's curve. Slide it to the left for a more pronounced downward arc, or slide it to the right if you want your text to curve upwards. This feature enables you to fine-tune the curve to fit the aesthetics of your design, and there you have it, a beautifully curved text ready to enhance your design. With just a few clicks and adjustments, you can elevate the style and look of your project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different texts and curve settings to see what works best for your needs. I hope you found this tutorial on how to bend text in Canva helpful. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature that can make a significant difference in your graphic design work. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.